Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean the keyboard. I'm just have a little alcohol here, a little electronic cleaner, electronic contact cleaners. This is a spray bottle with some liquid if it has too much gunk on it. Little piece of cloth. Importantly, the air compressor. You see, you blow it. You use the air compressor and you blow it right there. So that's how what you would use for air compressor, and then you wipe it real good. You take the toothbrush and then you take some alcohol and you wipe it in between the keys. Take a little Q-tip, dip it in the alcohol or the electronics cleaner, clean all this in between. You can remove some keys. Those keys are you can easily put it back. You can easily put back the keys. So you can take the keys off if it's too much gunk right there. The reason I want to keep this keyboard is it's very expensive. I got a good deal on it. It's very expensive. It's about 3 years old, working perfectly, but it got like something spilled on it. So that's why I'm cleaning it. It's a Black Widow X Ultimate. You see, these are very well made keyboards. They will last like 10 years. They cost like $100, but I did not pay that much. I only paid like $30 because I got a good deal. I get good deals like that. So it's a over $100 keyboard. Very well made, very heavy. And it's a RBG. It lights up at night, so you can easily see your keys. And here you might want a USB port. You may want to clean it with the cleaner, electronic cleaner. Just spray it, take a Q-tip and wipe it, so that if there is anything there, it'll get cleaned out. It'll become as good as new. We just clean it up and go for it. Because a lot of people throw the keyboards away. You don't have to, especially the expensive keyboard. Like you pay over $100, you don't want to throw them. They are really good, well made, solid keyboards. So that's how you do it. So again, just a little alcohol, some electronics cleaner, whatever brand, it doesn't matter. Little toothbrush, little Q-tip, air compressor. Make sure it has good air to blow. That should do it. You can take some keys out, clean it up, be good as new. All right.